the whole hillside went whoop. That's right, you guys. We're rolling in the sport today. Just going for a little ride on the mountain. It's actually the end of the day. So check this out. We went on the mountain doing a little bow hunt action. Man, I saw some awesome country today. I got the trusty Matthews strapped in right there. Oh look, here's deer. That one's a little buck. Absolutely amazing. All right, just because I'm here, I've got to go to the top of that peak right there. That's the last place I snowmobiled with a kid named Brady Davis. He died not long after that in an avalanche, like a few weeks after that. Man, you guys. Ooh, it's amazing. Hey guys, thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry. It's story time again. Right there. That spot where my finger is, right there. So, geez, 10 years ago, we were snowmobiling up here. And I never thought I'd be to this location anyway. But I was snowmobiling. This was only a month or so before a good friend of mine passed away, Brady Davis. He was killed in an avalanche. And luckily, the day that I was right there wasn't my time to go. So there's some really awesome meadows down here below us. Comes all the way around this knoll and back down here. All the way back down here behind me here. Some incredible snowmobiling. Anyway, so I tell you that to tell you this. We were up here. I was on a 2005. Let's see, what was it? It was a Skidoo 1000. Had nitrous on it. It had a bunch of parts stripped off of it. It was lightened down. It was a mean sucker. Anyway, we came up here, we were snowmobiling, and we go over the top of that ridge right there and go up to Signal Peak, and then you can drop down the other side. Well, we'd come to this spot that we're at right now, and we decided we were going to go up over that hill. And I got up there, I was in the lead, and it was myself and Brady. We were I don't know if you guys heard that. There's a big bull bugling right here. I don't want to shoot an elk up here. I don't have a big bull tag anyway. But I got to the top of that hill right there. There's a tiny cornice. And as I went up that cornice, my snowmobile got stuck straight up in the air. And I'm on top of that cornice. And I jumped off my sled, sat down to the side of my snowmobile, and the whole hillside went whoop, and there was a fracture line right behind me, about 8 inches wide. I was freaked out. I didn't know what I was going to do. I thought for sure I was going to be in an avalanche. Anyway, I rolled my sled down the hill and I braced for the snow to slide, and it never slid. Whew. Thank my lucky stars that day. I followed the sled down the hill, jumped on, and we boogied out of here. I was done that day. That was the end of it for me, for the day anyway. So, anyway, Rocky Mountain Backcountry story time. That's the day that I almost got buried in an avalanche. Thanks for checking out Rocky Mountain Backcountry, you guys. Like, subscribe, and let's go do some more adventures out in the backcountry. We'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, wouldn't you know it, you guys? Look at that. Oh, man. It's a horrible zoom job, but there's elk on the off-grid property. How's that for luck? I was out here 2 days ago. Didn't see hide nor hair of an elk. And I hunt in a different spot tonight. And they're right here, literally 100 yards from my trailer. I ought to stay overnight. See if I can't snag one in the morning, huh?